everyone. Today I'm hiking along the Appalachian Trail, going from Carvers Gap to Roan Mountain, and I'm starting my South Beyond 6,000 journey. And what that is it's 40 mountains above 6,000 feet. They're in the southern Appalachian Mountains, and if you hike all of them, you get a patch. And in order to qualify, it needs to be like 5 miles long, and I think it needs a elevation gain of 500 feet. So starting on that today, I'm going to do Roan Mountain, and I think I'm going to stop at Roan High Knob and Cloudland Mountain as well. Something to be aware of if you want to hike here is it's a bit colder here than neighboring areas. I only live about an hour away, and it was 49 degrees at my house, and it's 32 here. So be prepared for a little bit cooler weather. So there used to be a Cloudland hotel here back in the 1800s. That'd be a really good view to wake up to. So in order to get to that good view, we had to get off the Appalachian Trail. And now I think we're headed towards like a little parking lot, and then a different trail will continue, and that will take us to Roan Bluff. So that was a really awesome view. I'm glad I went today. I'm headed back now. I think I'm just gonna take the same path that I took to get here, so it won't be anything new. If I do decide to go somewhere new, I'll show you, but otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.